We guide you through how to remove your Instagram account from another device. So, the first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram app on your phone, go to your profile, tap the menu icon at the top right, select Settings, then Security, and under Login Activity, you'll see all devices where your account is currently logged in. Find the device you want to remove, tap the three dots next to it, and select Log Out, then Confirm. And if you don't recognize any devices, you can also tap Log Out of all sessions for extra security. And finally, make sure to change your password immediately to prevent unauthorized access. And you're done. Your Instagram account is now safely removed from any device you no longer use, keeping your personal information secure and giving you full control over your account access.